Hi everyone, Ben here from SwimClub Manager. We've pushed another update out today, which is version 7.3.3, with the following updates. Login, there's a bug fix. If you use the stay logged in function, it now works as expected. It seemed to have been timing you out after a couple of hours and then forcing you to log back in again, but that's now fixed. Attendance, another bug fix. When you go to export the attendance sheets in Excel format, it now works as expected. Swim times, when you add swim times manually, the system now remembers what you entered on the form after you click add, so that you don't have to reset it all. That's now done. Invoices, if you have an invoice that's not been marked as paid, but there is a valid Go Cardless payment assigned to it, now if you're in the SCM administrator role, you can press a button to say I want to set the paid date, and it'll set the paid date to whatever the Go Cardless charge date was. And also on invoices, when you're creating an ad hoc invoice via a member's account page, in the drop down option that says add to period, it now only shows the last 3 months of your invoice period, so it's not a massive huge list. And lastly, on members, where on the code of conduct, you can now view the code of conduct via the setup menu and then press a button, and it will reset everyone's acknowledged status for that code of conduct. So this is useful if you want to, for example, every year force your members to have to re-acknowledge the codes of conduct without having to create a new one, assign them all to everybody. You just go onto the code of conduct page, press a button, and it resets everyone's, and then the next time they log in on the dashboard, it forces them to have to acknowledge it again. That's it for this update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.